Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about the two high-ticket affiliate companies that you can go ahead and get started in your online business journey. Yes, before we get into the content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right below this video and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos and you'll be notified like videos just like this. You know what time it is? Let's go ahead and dive into the content for this video, because we're going to talk about two high-ticket affiliate companies you can go ahead and get started with in your online business. Now, the biggest thing when I first got on, I did not know anything about high-ticket affiliate companies. I didn't even know what that was. I had to actually look it up. I typed it in Google, high-ticket affiliate companies. What is that? So I was lost. So I got on YouTube, I got on different things, and I really didn't find videos I connected with in the beginning. Then later on, I did see a couple of videos that I got connected with those high ticket companies. But in the beginning, I didn't see videos like this. It didn't happen till later on, because everybody was kind of selling things, they was illustrating stuff, and I didn't know where to start. I didn't have anybody I can trust with. I didn't know I can connect with until later on. So high ticket affiliate companies are really based on companies where you can get sales, and sales are like $1,000 or more. You can actually, one sale can really impact your business. Now, results are varied and not typical, so you do have to follow the action steps to be able to leverage off those results. Now, I'm going to give you two particular companies that you can go ahead and leverage. So I'm the solution to your problem, because I know you've been searching around all month, all day, all week for different companies. You sign up today, you sign up for this company, you sign for this company. Ain't about that today. We ain't doing that. I'm gonna give you two high-ticket affiliate companies you can get started with, and I'm gonna be there every step of the way in your journey. So go ahead and get a piece of paper and a pen and go ahead and write down these two companies. So I'll give you 1 minute for you to go ahead and get that. Okay, you got it? Okay, you got it? Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first company we're gonna go ahead and talk about, and trust me, these companies I am a part of as well. The first company is called the Power Lead System. The Power Lead System, they even sound good saying it. The Power Lead System. This system's been around a long time, and they've helped so many different network marketers, affiliate marketers to leverage the system to build their own business. What I really love about this system is you can leverage off anything. You can literally sell any product. So if you have a primary business, you can actually leverage off this system to sell that. Even if you don't have a primary business, they have packages already set up for you to go ahead and start leverage off the system. And they have an easy done for you way and training for you to really understand. And get this, they have 2 trainings per week, 2 live trainings on Wednesday and Thursdays per week to help you if you're stuck and overwhelmed and not sure what to do. You can show up to those live trainings and go ahead and leverage off and listen to what he's saying. And you can also put your questions in there, and I'm sure they'll get answered. And if they don't get answered there, which I'm sure they will, you can also post them in a Facebook group of the Power Lead System. So when you leverage off and you go in that system, you can say, hey, I'm a new person, I don't know where to start. Somebody be there to be able to help you out. So when you first sign up, I'm going to give you a 7-day free trial for signing up today. You be part of my team, and I can help you out every step of the way. So when you sign up, you log in, and you basically have a video you'll watch, and you have all these different things to go ahead and do. So when you sign up, I'll be there to help you out. And what I like about the Power Lead System, they have residual income, residual weekly commission. That's what I'm trying to say. Every week you get paid through this system as long as you're following through the steps. Once again, results are not typical. If you follow the steps, you will have a chance to have success. So that's the Power Lead System. Been a long time. It's an excellent system. The second company I'm going to talk about is called the Super Affiliate Network. Another strong word, Super Affiliate Network. Now, this company has been around since 2016, the early part of 2016, I believe. Yes, early part of 2016. And it's definitely helped a lot of online marketers leverage off the system as well. What I love about this, they have a 16-module bootcamp. So when you sign up, if you're brand new, which I'm sure you are, you can go right through this boot camp. You'll be assigned 2 advisors to help you every step of the way, and they'll go ahead and give you, literature, mindset training, help you get on the right start, Then you go to the 16 module to help build up your mindset, your marketing, strategies, tactics, the whole 9 yards in terms of building an online business or even starting an online business. So if you have an existing business or if you're a beginner, this system is perfect because the training is excellent. So when you're done with the training, you do have a Facebook group as well that's there to answer your questions as well. They have weekly calls. They have a Freedom Cry, which is basically all about mindset training. It's an excellent system to leverage as well, and it's a good thing to do in 2019 to get started with your own business. And right below this video, I do have a link of how you can get started, especially if you're new or even existing business owner. This system can really help you out as a way, every step of the way, because of the training and the energy. And I'll be there with you. Don't worry about it. Don't overthink it. I'll be there with you to help out. And you have a system and you have coaches and mentors all around the system to dive in to help you become successful. So right below this video, go ahead and get started right away because I got a bonus for you. And get started right away, I'll give you a couple of extra tips. I'll give you a couple of bonus tips. So when you get started right away, go ahead and email me. I'll share my email right below this video. Show me an email when you get started and I'll go ahead and give you a bonus tip. But I can't tell nobody, but I'll tell you. But go ahead and get started. And one reason I like about this as well is because they do have a good commission structure as well. And they do have a lot of customer support to help you every step of the way. So click below this video for those 2 high-ticket affiliate companies for beginners, for newbies, to get you started. So I can't wait to see you on the inside. Click on the link below, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a good day.